Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to clean all the sensors on your DREAME D20 Plus. To do it, remove your robot from the charging station, then flip it over, and first we'll do the cliff sensors. They are very important to make sure your robot doesn't fall down the stairs and stuff like that. Even if you don't have stairs, it's worth to clean them just in case anything happens, so that you're secure. Clean all four. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You should clean them with a microfiber cloth, preferably soaked in alcohol or just slightly damp in water. Yeah, so that's what you should do. And one more thing is that if you're using water, you should use a dry cloth afterwards to prevent any stains. Then also clean the contacts, the charging contacts. And now there's another sensor here on the side, so you should clean it. And then the last one on the front, you should also clean it. Now make sure to also clean the contacts on the charging base and clear this black part on black reflective part on the charging base as well, to make sure your robot can easily locate the station. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.